Welcome to the Team Corrali one-page manual video series. For best results, download the PDF file from the link below before watching.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to take out the center differential out of the car. But before you watch this video, please check this one. It contains all of the basic information of the RC car maintenance. Before we move to step number 1, remember you need to do two things. First of all, take out the receiver box. You don't have to take it out completely, like disassemble the whole thing. It's enough if you take out the link from the steering and also unscrew it from the bottom. So you will be able to reach those screws. Same side, on the other side of the brace, you need to take out the motor. Far enough is if you reach to this moment, so those two screws are easy to reach. There is a way that you can use the rounded head screwdriver, but it's far more difficult. I would recommend to simply follow those steps. In step number 1, we will take this aluminum brace out. It's held by those 4 screws and also 2 on the top. Before we move to step number 2, what I like to do is just attach one screw on the motor mount, one screw on the receiver case, because now, as you can see, those parts can fly away, and it will be far easier. Whatever later maintenance you will do, it will just sit on its place and you will be sure that the motor won't fall off or the wire won't be cutted, because it will hang out when you turn the car upside down. In the step number 2, we will take this top cover off. It's held by these 4 screws, and of course you can also take out the top half of the differential holder, but for major times you don't really have to do it. Just keep it as a one piece. And now for step number 3, we will take out the differential. There's one thing you need to remember about. Rotate the differential so you can see the drive shafts are in line like this. It will be a bit easier to take the drive shafts out. While you're disassembling the central diff, remember there are those small silicone washers inside. It's inside each and every outright throughout the entire center drive line. One in the outright in the rear, 2 in both sides of the differential, 1 on the outright of the front. It's put in like this inside each and every outright. Why they are here? First of all, it will center the drive shaft in the proper position, so you will be sure that everything works very smoothly. Second of all, also when the chassis flexes and everything flexes during high jumps and hard landings, it will prevent it from cracking to the end of the diff and work like a cushion, and will absorb a little bit of this force. So don't forget about them. I don't like to take the outdrive one when I'm disassembling this, if I don't need to. but of course they may fall apart during the rest of during the disassembly of the rest of the parts, so maybe I will be forced to move them back again. In step number 4, we will take out this diff mount. Of course you don't have to take it each and every time you are working on the differential, but if you want to replace them or tune the front one, of course I will show you how to do it. There are only 4 screws from the bottom. They are very easy to take out, but remember to remove this screw back again and put the motor on the side. Of course you can take the motor out, but I don't feel the need to, and you will be able to take it out even if the motor is not unplugged. So that will be it. As you can see, everything now is disassembled. The only thing left to do is of course assemble it back together, and to do it you will simply need to reverse the steps. When you put that center differential back into its place, remember about those small little silicone spacers. They are quite easy to lose, but I highly recommend to get them. Honestly, you don't need to buy any special part, any special equipment. It's just a nitro silicone tube cut it into pieces. What I need to do is to check. I tried my best to hold them in place while disassembling everything, but it looks like the front one is still there, but the rear one left, so I just need to place it back. And I failed. And then just assemble everything back together. Alright, so that will be it. Now you know how to take the differential out of the car, as well as of course the drive shafts. Why would you like to do it? Of course, taking out the differential to change the oil inside it or change the drive shafts. But also what I recommend to do from time to time is to take it out and clean what's underneath. If there's some oil leftovers, plus dust, plus sand, plus any other debris, small rocks or whatsoever will collect under there, you will be more likely to, one of them might happened to be between your teeth and broke the spur gear or pinion. Thank you guys very much for watching, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel to check more of the amazing videos like this, and of course follow Team Corally at Facebook and Instagram. What is more, if you need any help, contact us via support@corally.com, and if you want to check this car and any other car, visit our showroom at world.corally.com. See you in the next one. Bye!
Team Corally, engineered to be the fastest.